Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex Ultra XTR rectangular frame pool set and Krystal clear saltwater system. Make a splash this summer with the Intex 52-inch Ultra XTR rectangular frame pool and Krystal clear saltwater system set. The rectangular swimming pool design is perfect for narrow backyards, lap swimmers, and pool games. The Ultra frame design provides excellent durability and a sleek gray finish, all while making setup quick and easy. Product benefits. Quick setup means it's ready for water in 90 minutes. Hydro aeration technology in the pump improves circulation, filtration, and water clarity while increasing the water's negative ions. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual.
Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.